Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Among the historical sources, dash sources are based on modern technology: written, oral, material, audiovisual. Audiovisual. The dash is a museum in Pune which gives information about the history of Mahatma Gandhi. Aga Khan Palace, Sabarmati Ashram, Cellular Jail, Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Aga Khan Palace. A unique discovery of modern technology in 20th century is dash. Povada, photograph, interviews, films. Films. Explain the following statements with reasons. During the British period, newspapers also acted as source of social information. In the pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Baza Patrika, Deen Bandhu, Kesari acted as important source of awakening the minds of the people. Through the newspapers, we can study the British policies regarding India and their effects on India. During the British period, newspapers were not only the source of political events but also acted as a source of social information. The Nibandh Mala by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar and Shatapatre, written by Lokayatwadi alias Gopal Ari Deshmukh in the weekly Prabhakar, comments on various social and cultural issues. Thus, newspapers were not only source of political events but also acted as a source of social information. Audiovisual recordings are considered as the most trustworthy source for the study of modern Indian history. Audiovisual recording of Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement and such other historical incidents are available. Through these films, the events could be seen in reality. Therefore, audiovisual recordings are considered as the most trustworthy source for the study of modern Indian history. Write short notes. Photographs. Photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. With the discovery of art of photography, photograph of various persons, events, objects, structure, places were clicked. Through these photographs, we get information of the person or an event in a visual format. In case of medieval period, there are paintings available that depict the physical features of a person or visual description of a particular event, but the authenticity of these paintings is doubtful. The photograph of a person gives information about the physical features, dressing style, etc. Photograph of an event gives a visual image of the event, whereas photograph of an object or a structure helps in understanding its nature. Museums and history. For the study of history, various objects, paintings, photographs and such other things are preserved in a museum. At the Aga Khan Palace in Pune, we can see different objects, documents giving information about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. Audio sources. The discovery of technique of recording was also as important as photography. Recording is a form of audio source of history. During modern period, the speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the form of recordings. They can be used as a source of history. For example, national anthem Jana Gana Mana sung by Rabindranath Tagore. Complete the following diagram. Material sources. Material sources are memorials, buildings, coins, statues, bridge and palaces.